Enthusiastic hello, fellow coin enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, an exploration into the world of numismatics, guided by a coin that carries the legacy of the United Arab Emirates. Buckle up, because we're about to delve deep into the fascinating story of the 1 Dirham coin from 1435 to 2014, a treasure that might be hiding in your collection, waiting to be discovered. 1 Dirham coin, excited, behold, the 1 Dirham coin from the year 1435 to 2014 of the United Arab Emirates. What might seem like a mere token holds within its intricate design a tale of history, culture, and undeniable value. Let's uncover the secrets that make this coin a cherished artifact among collectors worldwide. Narrating, in the year 1435 of the Islamic calendar, corresponding to 2014 in the Gregorian calendar, the United Arab Emirates released this stunning coin. The front side showcases the UAE emblem, a symbol of unity, pride, and progress. On the reverse, you'll find intricate Arabic calligraphy, reflecting the nation's rich heritage and artistry. But this coin is more than just metal and craftsmanship, it's a piece of the UAE's incredible journey. Passionate, now, you might be wondering, what's the value of this remarkable coin today? Prepare to be amazed. Over the years, this 1 Dirham coin has become a hot commodity among collectors and investors. Its rarity, combined with the growing interest in numismatics, has significantly elevated its worth. Depending on its condition and historical significance, this coin can fetch a substantial value in the market, making it a hidden gem in your collection. Knowledgeable, as of our latest research, these 1 Dirham coins from 1435 to 2014, especially those in pristine condition, have been sold for impressive sums at auctions and private sales. The exact value can vary based on factors like rarity, demand, and overall preservation. That's why it's crucial to have your coin appraised by experts to fully understand its worth. Before we conclude, here's a pro tip: if you own one of these coins or are considering starting a numismatic collection, make sure to store your coins in a safe, controlled environment to maintain their condition. And, of course, keep educating yourself about the ever-evolving world of coin collecting. And there you have it, the intriguing story of the 1 Dirham coin from 1435 to 2014, a piece that carries the essence of the United Arab Emirates. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow coin enthusiasts. Stay curious, keep collecting, and who knows? Your next great discovery might just be around the corner. Until next time, happy collecting.